Can you solve this expression, which is 5 plus 2 times bracket 6 minus 4 the whole square? So if you know the answer for this question, tell your answer in comment section. So here we solve this expression by using PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So this is the priority order of solving this expression. And here multiplication, division both have equal priority, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here as you can see, here first we'll solve this parenthesis part because parenthesis has higher priority. Then we solve this exponent, then multiplication, then addition. So let's solve this expression. So 5 plus 2 times 6 minus 4, which is 2. 5 plus 2 times 2 2s are 4. Then 5 plus 2 4s are 8. 5 plus 8, which is 13. So 13 is the correct value for this expression.